Good morning. This is our first lecture. Let me introduce myself. I am Professor Mohan Saravade, working in the Department of Physics. First of all, let me welcome you all MSc first year students to DSM College and to the Department of Physics in DSM College. Actually, we wanted to start offline classes, but due to the restrictions put by the pandemic COVID and rules and regulations of our government, it is not possible for us to meet offline, to start our syllabus offline. Till this pandemic subsides, we have to continue, we have to start our syllabus online. We can go for live lectures, but when we go for live lectures, there may be various sorts of problems. The important one is connectivity. Every students of MSc first year, first sem may not get the connectivity when the live lecture is going on, because you people are living at different places. Some of you may be living in villages, and therefore we do not want any loss of any students of MSc first year. So what we planned is, we are going to record the video lectures. I am going to teach you on the board, just like the offline classes, and that recorded video lecture will be edited and then uploaded to your WhatsApp group. It will be also available on YouTube channel Professor MP Saravade E-Learning. This is the name of the channel on YouTube for my paper. When you visit this channel, you may find the video lectures of various other classes from UG for practicals, SSC, etc., etc. Why we are going to edit the video lectures? The first important thing is, the video lectures we record here will be of very large size, from 10 GB to 15 GB, and this video lecture will not be uploaded as it is, because it is not possible to upload a video lecture, a video of 10 to 15 GB, not possible. First thing. Second thing, it is also not possible for you people to download such videos from the YouTube. One thing. Second thing, such large videos may not be sent on your WhatsApp group, not possible, and therefore editing is compulsory, it is important. So we edit these video lectures. It will be compressed the size of video lecture may be at the most 300 MB. Many times it will be much smaller than 300 MB. We cannot avoid this. The reason is the articles of PG classes will be bigger, one thing. The theory papers for first semester and second semester of physics MSc first year are numerical in type, and for your complete understanding we need to go for problems on these articles. It may take more time. When we have to spend more and more time in solving the numericals on the board, the size of video lecture will be larger and larger. This is limitation of online teaching. We cannot go for much larger videos because of these all limitations and restrictions. Because of the restricted time, limited time, we may not go for more number of numericals. I promise I will go at least for one numerical on every article, because if I don't go for the numerical, you may not understand the article, and therefore going for numericals is very essential. As I told, there is a limitation of time. We are not going to make any hurry that may result in confusion of the students. We don't want to have any confusion to our student. We want to make the things more and more clear, and therefore we shall go for the numericals. Although we can go for more and more numericals, it is not possible because of the online way. Whenever it is possible for us to meet offline, we may conduct extra lectures. In offline class, we will be face to face together. There will be interaction between us, and you can have more understanding. Whatever, we will try to make the things more and more clear so that you can understand each and every article. For first semester, the paper I am going to teach you is mathematical methods in physics. Syllabus is sent, PDF of syllabus is already sent to your WhatsApp group. Let me have the outline of the syllabus. Let me talk something about the syllabus. After having discussed what syllabus we are going to talk about, what way we are going to complete the syllabus, how do we can have interaction, then I will start the actual syllabus. Actually, in the tomorrow's lecture only, I will start the actual syllabus. So, I am going to teach you mathematical methods in physics, first paper, same first semester. This paper has 4 modules. Modules are chapters, units. First unit, second unit, third unit, fourth unit, like that. First module, second module, third module, fourth module. So this paper is having 4 modules or 4 chapters. The first module is about vector spaces and matrices. The people who are from mathematics, who studied mathematics at BSc level, may be aware of the vector spaces and matrices. Some people may be non-mathematics people, they might not have mathematics at BSc level. I will explain each and everything in every article, so that mathematics as well as non-mathematics people will understand the things clearly. The articles that we have to study in this module are linear dependence and independence of vectors. We shall see what types of vectors are known as linear dependence vectors, what types of vectors are known as linear independence vectors, and we shall go for at least one problem on linear dependence of vectors as well as linear independence of vectors. After that, we shall go for inner product of vectors, then Schmidt's orthogonalization method. After that comes matrices. When we start matrices, I will first talk about various types of matrices. There is a long list of types of matrices. I will quote these types, and for every type I will write an example. In matrices, you have to study inverse of a matrix, then orthogonal matrix, Hermitian and unitary matrices, then transformation of vectors and matrices, system of linear equations, eigenvalues and eigenvectors of square matrices, diagonalization of a matrix, and finally rotation matrix. When we read this syllabus, you may feel that this syllabus for first module is too short, very short. It's not like that. To understand these things, we have to also study the things which are not mentioned in this syllabus. Then only you can have clear-cut understanding of these things. Moreover, we have to go for at least one numerical. Then only you will come to know these things very clearly. The second module is about special functions. In special functions, rigorous mathematical derivations are there. The articles are too big. Some articles may be short. Most of the articles are too big. And on this chapter, there will not be any numerical. There will not be any problem. This may take more time in deriving the expressions. I am going to derive the expressions needed to understand each of these articles. What special functions you are recommended to study? Legendre equation, then Rodrigues formula for Legendre. Legendre equations are known as Pn of x. Generation functions and recurrence relation. Associated Legendre polynomial. This is about Legendre functions. After that, Bessel equation, Bessel function of first kind, generating functions and recurrence relation associated Bessel polynomial. By mistake in syllabus, the name given is Legendre polynomial. Make the correction. The third type of special function we are going to study is Hermite equation, generating function and recurrence relation for Hermite polynomial. This is third type of special function. The last type of special function is Legendre equation, generating function and recurrence relations for Legendre equation, Rodrigues formula, associated Legendre polynomials. This will complete the second module. As articles are long in nature, big in nature, we may need more than one lectures to complete every article. Sometimes we may need 3 lectures to complete a single article, and that we have to do it. Otherwise, you may not understand the special functions. Then the third module, Fourier series and integral transform. In BSc first year, you have studied Fourier series. There will be revision of the Fourier series. We shall see what is Fourier series, general properties of Fourier series. We shall also go for the article, evaluation of coefficients of Fourier series, although it is not recommended in the syllabus, but we need it because we have to go for applications of Fourier series. We shall cover 5 to 6 various applications of Fourier series. A single article, simple applications may require 5 to 6 lectures because we have to go for the simple applications of Fourier series. After that, properties of Fourier series, convergence of Fourier series, integration and differentiation of Fourier series. This is about Fourier series. After that, we have to go for the integral transforms. In integral transforms, we are going to study Fourier integral transform and Laplace integral transform, properties of Fourier and Laplace transforms. These properties will be in terms of linearity, first shifting and second shifting property. After that, we shall go for Fourier sine and cosine transforms, Fourier and Laplace transforms of derivatives, elementary Laplace transform, inverse Fourier and Laplace transforms, shifting theorem, step function, solution of simple differential equation using Laplace transform technique. This is also a big module, big chapter. We have to study many things in a single article. At the same time, we need to solve numericals on all these articles. Unless and until we do not solve numericals on every article of this unit, this module, the module will not be clear. You will not have clear-cut understanding of every article of this module, and therefore it is needed to go for the numericals. As I promised, I will go at least for one numerical on every article. The last module, module number 4, complex function and calculus of complex function. This unit is biggest of your whole syllabus. What we have to study in this module? Definition of complex function. After that, exponential function and properties of exponential function. Then circular function and properties of circular function. After that, hyperbolic function and properties of hyperbolic functions, inverse hyperbolic function, logarithmic function, limit of complex function, continuity, derivative theorem, analytic functions, harmonic functions, complex integration, Cauchy's theorem, Cauchy's integral formula, series of complex term, that is Taylor series, Laurent series. After that, zeros of an analytical function, then singularities of an analytical function. These singularities will be in the form of isolated, removable, poles and essential singularity. And finally, residue theorem for calculus of residues. That will complete the syllabus of your first paper, Mathematical Methods in Physics. This is just introductory lecture. Tomorrow we shall start the first unit. We shall start with linear dependence of vectors, and if time permits, tomorrow itself we shall go for a problem on this article. I am going to conduct lectures on every day. So, I will upload a video lecture every day except Sundays and public holidays. On every day, you will get one video lecture explained in details for mathematical methods in physics. So, we shall meet tomorrow to start the syllabus. Thank you.